So while this is not necessarily a new feature, it is one a lot of people are not aware of. So Tesla has shortcuts baked into its app, and if you use an iPhone, some of these are really useful, and especially if you use a newer generation with those action buttons right here, it gets even better. Let's jump into it. Alright, what is going on everybody? Welcome back to Phones and Drones. So like I said in that intro, Tesla actually has shortcuts baked into its app. It's tucked away. I wish it was more seamless. iOS 18 is right around the corner and is going to make some of these actions a little easier with third-party apps and launchers and things like that. So I want to show you today how exactly some of these features work to make it so much easier if you want to take advantage of the shortcuts Tesla has baked in. So what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to go ahead and unlock my phone right now, and I'm going to actually go ahead and record this and go step by step through you guys with this video. So as you guys can see here, we are on our home screen. What you're going to want to do is pull down and search for shortcuts. And as you can see here, these are exactly all the shortcuts that Tesla already has built in. And what's really cool is depending on the vehicle, and in this case if you have a Cybertruck, there are specific shortcuts built just for that. So as you can see here, and I'm actually going to make it easier, this is exactly what the shortcut landing page looks like. So this will actually pull in any shortcuts from any app currently, starter shortcuts, any pre-built ones from other apps, like you can see American Airlines, the camera app, clock, magnifier, music, there's a ton here, right? So that's why right off the bat, I went up to the top and searched for Tesla. And when you search for Tesla, you can click on it and you can see the numerous apps shortcut that it offers. And right off the bat, you can see you have preconditioned vehicle, set temperature, unlock, open Tesla frunk, open Tesla tailgate, lock Tesla, unlock Tesla, start preconditioning Tesla, stop preconditioning, enable Sentry mode, disable it, enable dog mode, disable it, open charge port, close Tesla charge port, start charging, stop charging, open Tesla trunk, close trunk, and then this two specific for Cybertruck, Tesla tonneau, open and close Tesla tonneau. They are all right here. And say, for instance, you want to go ahead and let's just say preconditioned vehicle. When you select it, it will actually run that shortcut. So if you're actually looking to edit it, you'll want to click on those three dots right on the top right here. And now is when you can actually run the shortcut and control it as you want. So currently you can see it's going to start or stop preconditioning blank on the vehicle. So what you're going to do is tap on the vehicle itself and you can select which one you want. So Bluey is our Model 3 and Cyber Owl is obviously the Cybertruck. We have this set for the Cybertruck right there. And you can also change any variables where it can ask you each time or have the shortcut input variable be selected. So very simple. What makes it even more awesome, and again, I'm going to swipe out of here and go into settings really quick. If you have a newer iPhone 15 Pro or Pro Max and soon to be iPhone 16, that'll take advantage of those action buttons as well. If you actually, let me close this out, swipe over to those action button controls, as you just saw, there is a shortcut option and we have it set up for the Tesla action button as you can see here. And what that does is actually give you a massive list of controls that we have set up for climate, unlock, lock, open trunk, close trunk, open frunk. It is all right here. So plenty of options. I love it. It's a quick, easy shortcut to take advantage of if you so choose. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, or if you're going to take advantage of one of these shortcuts. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.